Greetings and welcome to the video introduction to Chemistry 221, and I'm really glad to have you here. This video will hopefully give you kind of an introduction to what Chemistry 221 is like before the class actually starts. And a class like this is very complex with a lot of different pieces, but I thought this video might help to at least say some of your initial questions. And above all else, if you don't remember anything else about what I say, please know that I do want your questions if you have them. You can reach out to me before the class starts. It's not a problem. Email is the best way to get a hold of me. It's mike.russell@mhcc.edu. And I encourage you to reach out to me. There are no dumb questions in my class, all right? My answers, I will do my best to give you a good answer, but you can ask the question again if my answer isn't very good. So reach out to me if you have questions. A couple of things about this class. First of all, officially now, this class is referred to as Chemistry 221Z, and the lab is Chemistry 227Z. And there will be a dash, probably L1, L2, L3, something like that after your class. I will refer to both sections, the regular Chem 221Z and the Chem 227Z classes, as Chem 221 in general. All right, I won't use the Z's and all that kind of stuff. It gets so complicated. So just realize when I say Chemistry 221, it might refer to Chemistry 227 for labs. It might refer to Chem 221 for the lecture materials. I'll just call it all Chem 221. And again, if you have questions, reach out to me. If you do have questions about how to get started in the class, I will probably have some information on our website, which is probably where you're reading this right now. The website is mhchem.org/221. You can reach out to me there. You can also look and see what kind of information you can use to get started. I encourage you to purchase the Chemistry 221 Companion through the MHCC bookstore. The Companion will have basically everything you need for the class. It'll have the problem sets, the labs, the lecture materials, sample quizzes, sample exams. If you attend the actual lectures, you'll have notes you can write next to. Try to purchase the Companion as soon as you can. Otherwise, you will end up printing materials, and you will need printed materials this quarter. You'll need to, at the very least, print the problem sets and the labs. You might need additional information too, so that's why if you can get the Companion, I think it's a better deal. The textbook for this class is Open Education Resource, OER, which means it's free to download. You don't have to pay for it or anything like that. You can just download it to your computers, to your cell phones, whatever, and access it from there. If you'd like to start the Introduce Yourself assignment, that would be great. Introduce Yourself is a way for you to get, for me to get to know you. It's also a way for you to be familiar with the deadlines coming up for some of the materials, the class presentations. I'm hoping it's a pretty easy assignment, but it will help you get kind of acquainted with the class. Okay, if you think of any questions you'd like to ask that I haven't answered in this video, please reach out to me. I am definitely looking forward to having you in my class this quarter. All right, good luck with the quarter. And again, if you have questions, let me know. Have a wonderful day.